Would you believe me if I told you there was a quick and simple way to make $35? There is, and you don't need to do much since I made sure it's really easy to do, especially for those who are just beginning to work online. The best part is that you truly can do this from anywhere in the world without having to make any investments because it is totally free. I'm going to share a brand new method with you today that can help you generate money, because I want that to be you as well. I urge you to watch this video all the way through so you can learn how to use it. Don't worry, I'll guide you through every step, and subsequently, I'll walk you through a step-by-step instruction on how to execute this tactic. But before we get started, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll show you some brand new ways to make money online in 2022. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. To be notified every time a new profitable video from our channel is released, click the notification bell button. Share this with your friends and family as well, so that you and everyone else is aware of this excellent money-making technique. Simply leave a comment below if you have any queries, worries, or thoughts regarding the video. We look forward to reading them. I'll now make an effort to keep this video brief so that you may start earning money immediately. The first step is to visit pixels.com, which is a website where you may download photographs that don't have any copyright restrictions. Designers, bloggers, and other people looking for visual can find excellent photos and films on the free stock photo and video website and app Pixels. These images can then be downloaded and used without charge. Simply download a picture or video for free from Pixels if you like it. Do a search for black and white pictures now, please. You can do this by entering black and white photo in the search box and pressing enter. There are more free black and white images available for download if you scroll down below. Later, we'll use these images to generate income online. Okay, the following step is to visit the website Colorize.com. Generally speaking, Colorize is a tool that lets you use artificial intelligence to convert your black and white images into colored photos. I don't mention much about this website in my movies. All images can be colored with Colorize.com, an AI-powered photo colorizer that streamlines the entire colorizing process. You can quickly colorize grayscale or yellowish images using AI's photo colorizer that uses deep learning. As you can see, utilizing this tool is quite easy. There are just 3 steps required to utilize this program to colorize a picture. You must first prepare your digital black and white photo before uploading it and then download the colorized version for free. That's really fantastic, no? We'll be using this tool a lot, so I'll now demonstrate how to use it. You'll notice a window where you may upload your photo on the website's homepage. Click there, then select the black and white image you wish to colorize. After submitting your photo, it will take their AI a few seconds to colorize it, and then you'll have a fully colorful photo from this black and white shot. You can get some photos from Pixels and then post them here. As said earlier, clicking on this download button will allow you to obtain this colorized image for nothing. Even if you don't have a computer or laptop, you can still utilize this AI tool because you can do it on your smartphone. Let's now attempt to colorize a different image. In essence, you must repeat the previous procedure by selecting your photo and then pressing the upload button. You now have colored copy of the picture after a brief delay. You can essentially colorize a lot of photographs if you want to, and I'll show you later where you can use this free tool to make money. So keep watching and don't skip any portions, because I'll have another website that I want to share with you that you can use to make money as well. You're incredibly fortunate to be viewing this right now because not many people discuss the websites that I share with you in my videos. I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video so far before we delve any further. Also, if you enjoyed and learned something from this video, please comment below. Today, I'd like to introduce you to another website called Removebg, which has a program that lets you completely automatically remove backgrounds in 5 seconds with no clicks. Thanks to the sophisticated AI of Removebg, there are nearly 20 million more entertaining tasks than deleting backgrounds manually. This is an example of a picture that has had the background removed using this free application, as you can see. With the help of their cutting-edge AI tool, I can see the photo with the background if I slide this photo to one side and the shot without the background if I slide it to the other. The fact that it is completely free is the finest part. You read that right. You can use this AI technology for free now, and later, I'll teach you how. You can use it to earn money online. Let's first examine how this tool functions. You can see on their homepage that you may upload a photo or just drag it into this area. I'll attempt to illustrate using this picture. As you can see, they quickly remove the background from this image, and as you can see above, clicking on either of these two URLs will allow you to download the image for free. Simply click here to download it directly to your computer in greater resolution if you choose. Don't worry, you can do this on your smartphone as well. These two apps allows you to make money even if you don't own a computer or laptop. The name of another website is Fiverr.com. I'm sure most of you are already aware with this website, but for those who aren't, it's a place where freelancers may advertise their services to clients around the world. Now you have to enter Colorize photo into the search box and press the search button. You will now see all of the people who are selling this kind of service. As you can see, the prices ranges from $5 to $25, and all they do is use the website I previously described to colorize images. A black and white photo can be easily uploaded, and the Colorize.com AI program will handle the rest. Currently, you must first establish an account in order to make money on Fiverr. You may do this by clicking on Become a Seller right here. After that, you must visit the page and complete the necessary information to register as a merchant for free. The following marketplace is located at peopleperhour.com, a website comparable to Fiverr. You may find all of these people who are advertising their services by just searching for background removal. You may earn a lot of money by simply eliminating backgrounds from images because Removebg can be used to achieve it, and the price for this type of ability ranges from $10 to $35. You must first register for a free account on peopleperhour.com before you can start selling your services there. To do so, click on this link at the top of the website. When you get at the screen, be sure to select I wish to work as a freelancer and then enter the necessary data. You can now start selling your services on Fiverr and People Per Hour as you have accounts on each of these platforms. You can repeat this process often until you earn the necessary amount of money. For instance, by using Colorize.com to colorize black and white photographs and Removebg to remove the background from a photo. That's it for now. I hope this video was able to teach you something and that I was able to show you a different way to make money online. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you enjoy this video. You may be notified when we upload new videos by pressing the notified bell button. Watch for our upcoming video and I'll see you there.